Hello guys, it's Manandothegoat guys. I'm analyzing currency for you guys. So I'll be analyzing for you once again, guys. Okay guys, okay, I have to set something here. I have to go to my chat settings. All right. Okay, don't mind me guys. I know what I'm looking for. I hope everyone is good, guys. You need to work on your psychology, guys, because psychology plays a huge role in trading. Okay. So okay guys, we're looking at the NZD. So from the daily time frame, guys, I have my highest height and I have my lowest low of the structure. As you could see, guys, price, when it comes to this low, price created like a double bottom, So again, guys, we have this, which is an important level. Most of the time, guys, you just have to highlight those important levels because in the long run, like, they're good, you understand, guys? So I'll be going to the 4 hour after the daily. So when I'm in the 4 hour, guys, you could see that price went up with an impulse, then this is a correction. So you're gonna have it like this. Understand, guys? So this is 1, 2, like, when you do things like this, you now see that, oh, you're in the right path, guys, because that's the path that you need to follow. Trading isn't much of like a person. It's like in the mindset, like once you see things in your mindset, like you've seen them, you can't unsee them. So like if you can know the structure, what type of structure, things like that, like you'll be good, guys. So this is how it was. Okay. So what usually happened here, guys, is we had the lowest low and the what. So again, guys, price, to be honest, price will push to the lower low here, and it gives us a what? It gives us a flag. I'll show you how we're gonna take this one. So now I'm going to the 1 hour, guys, So it's like the top-down analysis. So I'm going to the 1 hour. In the 1 hour, let's see what the 1 hour has for us. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Okay, guys, okay, so here's the 1 hour, as everyone could see. Like we started on the daily, now we're on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, what I'm waiting for price to do what? I'm waiting for price to go to the lower low. And when price reaches that level, we can break that level and come back. Then we form a what? We form a correction. And then we can take this one. Don't mind my drawing, guys. I'm not good at drawings, So this is how we're gonna take this thing on the 1 hour. So be patient with the market right now because the market might be showing you different things and this and that. Understand, guys, like this and this and that, you see? So this is how we have it. You get what I'm saying, guys? This is how we have it. So even if I were to like stay in the daily, like it doesn't really bother me that much because I know the direction, Like I just, like when I analyze, I just need a direction. If I get the direction, then guys, I'm sorted, because now I know I just have to wait, The reason, guys, I made my price to break this level is most of the time you guys don't realize, like price catches you in the wrong side of the market. Like it always gives you what, I don't know how I can put it, but then it will always leave you with some stuff, like it will just do something like this, breaks, go down, and like you be, nah, it's a break and retest. Nah, psychology, guys, psychological way. Understand, the market is playing a huge role. I hope you all get what I mean. Market is playing a huge role. Understand, guys? So sometimes it will give you a break and then you think it's a break. When you think it's a break and you capitalize on it, and that's when you realize that, oh man, I messed up, Okay, guys, let's go to the next one. I'll go to the next one. As y'all could see, now we have NZD USD. I had it NZD USD. I was still just cruising on it, guys. Not for me to delete my analysis, but then I was still on the right path. One thing I realized, guys, is if you sit down and study the structure, and then that increases your what your winning ratio, you know. You can't be chilling there and not studying the market structure. Like when I say market structure, you just have to know. You get me, guys? No, or okay, this is a what, this is a what, and the market is in a what formation, you understand? So like that makes things simple for you guys, you know. Like that's how simple it is. Like if you were to like chill, guys, study the market structure, you'll see that the market is not really that terrible. You're the one who's terrible, you know, because you don't want to learn smaller things, you know, that can like change your mindset, or change how you see things, you know. Highest high, guys, of the structure, lowest low. Okay, now guys, one thing I noticed is we had a pattern inside a pattern, you know. I just need like 3 touches, 1, 2, and we were on the 3rd touch, you understand, guys? So that's why I'm saying that like structure is king, you understand, guys? Like I'm I'm not I'm not wrong for saying that because it's true. Structure, it's king. So having a structure and knowing the type of structure that increases your what your chances of like winning. Understand, guys? Like that increases your chances of winning. So each and every time, guys, like each and every time when you analyze, if you try to get the structure first and then you cool. So now you're on another time frame and you see something like this. What I can tell you guys is there are a lot of pattern separations here, you know. Yeah, this one. So this was going to be what your entry. And like this is part of your pattern separation. You understand, guys? This is going to be an entry, first entry. Okay. And again, price would have like went up to give you another one, 1, 2, 3, nice one. And then you enter there, guys. So these are pattern separations because you could see that the patterns are even separate. Okay, and the last entry, guys, that you could have had is this one, you understand, which is the large flag, and it's, we can call it the bearish pattern, you know. So you see that, guys, price was just moving, and then now we go to the 1 hour. Remember, don't forget pattern separation. You see on the 1 hour, guys, on how we have it. Again, you still have like a little bit of the same thing. You understand, guys? So you just have to know that price will reach a certain level, which it can be your 90% rule. You understand? So price, if price was to sell, I just go to the 4 hour. So in the 4 hour, I want to show you all something, guys. I just want to show you all something. Okay, so now let's say we're gonna sell. So if you had a sell, you could have taken the sell from here, going where? Going down. Nirvana, guys, you could have taken the positions there going down. So I've learned a lot through the process of mastering my mindset, guys. So if you can hear me in most of in this video, just talk. I just talk like a lot. I just talk because I talk based on what's happening, you know. It's like someone saying, Manando, I do make money, but then I keep blowing. Then you're not making money because you're blowing. You understand, guys? Like if you were making money, you couldn't blow it, you know. You just need to know that FOMO is part of the game. Fear of missing out. Like there is a time, guys, where I'm like, yo, you know, I don't see anything in the chat, you know, and like that's a good thing because it can never be a bad thing. Like you need to experience such things, guys, you know. So now I'm on Euro GBP. On the daily, you could see we have it nicely. So from price where it has to retrace to the upside. You know, guys, there's no way you can say you're making money, but then you're blowing. Where's the money that you're making? Because you can't show me a blown account. So this is the daily, guys. I have to go to the 4 hour. But then, guys, let's think about it. You, Manando, I do make money, but I'm blowing. The time you say you're blowing, guys, on the 4 hour, there isn't much to be done, guys. The time you say you're blowing, that's the time where I just say, you know, this one has time. Like he's full of games. You can't be, guys. Okay, as you could see, here's an impulse. We have to get a correction on the H1 or M15 here. There's a correction. So, okay, guys, Euro GBP, it's a buy. Guys, sometimes I'll work on more of letting you know how we enter trades, you know. It's like this one, guys, we call it the reduced risk entry because there's not too much a risk on it. But then the moment the trade is like a risk entry, it means you are willing to like go in, you understand, guys? So this is Euro GBP, you understand? So guys, be wise on how you analyze. This one it was a goal setup, you understand, guys? So like psychological ways, you know. And guys, from the lowest low to the highest side, you can't just enter one position. Like you have to enter a lot of them. You get what I'm saying, guys? There's no way you can enter one position and be like, oh, you know what? Oh, these, and that, you know. Like there's a thing called scaling, guys, you know. Scaling, it's a good thing to be done when you move. Because the market along the way, it gives you a lot of opportunities, you know. So you can't just take one opportunity. There are a lot of opportunities that, guys, you can take. Yeah, there are a lot of opportunities that you can take. Let's look for another one that we can analyze. I don't want to lie, there are a lot of opportunities that you can capitalize when you're looking at the market. Like there are a lot, guys, you understand? So you should like avoid the thing called fear of missing out, you know? Yeah, like, you know, if you know when to trade and when not to, and then like I consider you as the most profitable trader that I know. Because knowing when to stop, that's a good thing. Knowing when to start, that's the best thing, you know. But a lot of you guys, you're trading based on being influenced, you know. Like when traders say, oh, yo, Joe, I'm trading this, and that, like you be like, I can also do that. I can also do these, you know. So with that, guys, like my mindset wise, like you're not growing because you're looking at what people are saying. Or what about what you have for yourself? Like remember, guys, you being a trader, that's not a favor to anyone. You understand? So you just have to sit down and be like, oh, I don't want to be like that guy. You know, guy, as a trader, you need to learn, you know, learn from people. So this is on the 4 hour, guys. You see, we have a break, and then price went up, and then someone would say, this thing is a long sell. You could see that, guys, we're coming for what? We're coming for the investor in shoulder. So this is a buying market. We're coming for the investor in shoulder. So my buy position be situated here. My buying positions, I'll start buying from here. And that'll have to be my stop loss. That's my take profit. As I'll always say it, you know, this is GBP CHF. Sometimes I don't have to spend the whole day on something. So I'm done with this setup, you know. You just have to make goal setups. If you were to understand your setup, then like you don't need anybody else to tell you that you can't do it. You know, guys, to be honest, being the best starts when you start yourself, you know. So like if I'm chilled and I'm like, oh, you know what, this, and that, like I'm the best, you know. I don't need anyone. Okay, let's look at GBP CHF. I had it. So that was on the daily. On the 4 hour, like people were caught in the wrong side of the market. You understand, guys? So this was a setup that I had. So now price is back on the entry level again. What do you see? Like I see the same thing. You understand? It's just that the market is evolving. People will fail to understand that market is evolving. We were trapping people to be on the wrong side of the market, you know. We knew what we were doing, to be honest. We really did know. Or okay, if we can do this will happen. You understand, guys? Now I always tell you guys, sit down, master your strategy, go out there, kill the world, you know, like be the best, like believe in yourself more than anyone. You understand, guys? Like believing in yourself is the best thing that one can like do for themselves, you know. Like I don't need you guys to say, Manando, you good, Manando, you not. Your opinions doesn't like matter. You know, if you were giving opinions and they say I'm dying, yeah, I would have been dead. You understand? So don't listen to the people saying you can't or you can. Can't and can. I just wait. You understand, guys? Like But then you are not a weight, you're a human. Like, do you by all means, you understand, guys? So stop going by the what do you call, like, there's a say I love to say, like, don't be influenced by people, you know. It's like people are trading Nasdaq now. You wanna be a Nasdaq trader. People were trading these, you wanna be that. Be you. Understand? Like, it's good being you. Don't be following trends. Oh, people were trading Nasdaq. I'm gonna trade Nasdaq. These, and that, guys, you know. Or let me even analyze it, Nas 100, so I can end the video because I've been talking for the longest. But then, guys, I hope you all get what I'm saying. I hope you all get what I'm saying. So, guys, okay, yes, Nasdaq on the daily. So, what we see here, so on the higher side, we have this. Understand, guys? On the lowest low, we have this. Do you understand? And then, guys, we have this as a percentage, which is our 90% rule. So now what I'm looking for price to do, guys, if you were a smart person, you would invest price to come there. Like, I don't have much to say on this pair, but then I was just analyzing the future. You get that I'm saying, guys? So you can go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour to show you a rejection. Yeah, that's a nice rejection, you know, guys. So it shows you a rejection. Like, when it shows you a rejection, yeah, here's a rejection. After the rejection, price will show you that it has to what, it has to sell. So, like, that thing, guys, it's a way of, like, price will do what, price will go down. We can take a short from there. So the first take profit I'm gonna take, it's this one, you know. It's like when I'm trading, I trade smart. You understand, guys? I keep scaling. I'm the smartest trader that I know. You know, it's my first take profit. As time goes, like, I'll be having different take profits. You understand? Like, I just having different time, like, targets, guys. You know, like when you're trading and you know that consistency is key. You have to have a target, have a stop loss. Yeah, there's no house that can build without a foundation. If there is, it means the foundation won't be strong. Like, if there is, like, the house will fall during hard times. So the reason you use stop loss is you don't want to be that house. You understand, guys? So I wish, guys, this video really like, it takes out the best of you. Like, I hope, like, everyone can be a consistent trader. Like, consistency is in the mind. You understand, guys? Like, I'm consistent in my mind, you understand? I'm consistent in my mind. Like, I keep telling myself, like, what you keep telling yourself is what you manifest is what happens, you know? If you talk about poverty, you'll be poor. If you talk about money, you'll have money. But then you don't just talk about it, you work for it. So, okay, guys, this was Manandothegoat. I'm out. And God bless everyone who was watching this video. To more subscribers, to more knowledge.